Hey guys, Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. We're going to go ahead and do this plan with me. This is in my Erin Condren, November 27th through the 3rd. I'm filming this on the 27th, so I would say that's more on time than I usually am. So this was my freebie for my Black Friday sale. It goes through today. I'm actually going to go ahead and post this video today, being that it's the last day of my sale and all of that, to make sure that you guys know about it. So this is the last... This is the freebie for every order, and then I have a kit that goes in every order, and I have freebie samplers from a bunch of different shops that are going in every order as well. I'm not out of them, so you can totally still order and get goodies. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The poinsettia is in the shop. This is from Christmas in July, and then so is the light bulb, and then December was just released not that long ago, and then the snowman is also from Christmas in July, so they're in the Christmas section. They're not in new releases. And then this one is the freebie. And then this one is in the bow section. It's adorable. Okay, so I definitely want to use, there's the full box sticker with the snowman and a tree that looks like it has candy on it. I know it's lights, but... So I was going to grab this and put it in my sidebar. Since this is a week that I won't have new releases in anyway. I'm in a very low chair. So I'm wondering how that's going to affect my stickering. A positive or negative way? That's what I was wondering. Goodness. Okay. So we have a snowman on that side. So now I want the snowman on the other side. And then I do have a double full box here that includes... Okay, so this and this need to be on this side already. So then I think this one... I'm going to put in the middle. I think we're going to put this like this. It's going to be different. I'm going to put this right here. And then I'm going to put this one, this half over here. This kit is from Planner Sister Stickers. It's called Joyful, in case you're wanting to snag it. I'm not sure when their Black Friday sale ends, actually. Okay, we have some coffees here with they're like gold with snowflakes and a little reindeer and an ornament. Adorable. I usually put a sticker up here, and usually I grab whatever coffee-related sticker there is. It's true. Okay, and then I think we'll go with Mary and Brett. I'm trying to see what... Okay, so if I do this one, I need 3 stickers. So I might skip... this one? I don't know. The scene with the girls is really busy too. So I haven't decided. Okay. Definitely want the snowman. That's for sure. We didn't get snow yet. Some people have, but we did not. Hasn't happened. Poinsettia. I want to bring in some of that top stuff into, yeah, and then I guess we'll grab the girls. Yeah, I guess I'm not grabbing the scene. Just because I want to bring in more of that color that's in the bottom washi and the date covers. So that's why. That's why I chose what I chose. Plus this is right here. So it's not like it's not on there. All right. Full box stickers. Make sure we don't put any next to each other. And then we shall be good. Okay. Okay, what did I do last week? Because I like to mix it up. Okay, good. I did a checklist on the bottom. But I did do a full box on the top. That's because I always put my theme sticker down here now. I think I need to, like, switch that up sometimes to really switch up my spread. I think that's my plan in the future. I don't know. I haven't decided what my new style is going to be in my 2024 Erin Condren. Haven't decided yet. So there's that. I did not sleep good last night. I can tell you that. I just kept waking up. Or feeling like I never actually fell asleep. When I would wake up, it was like restless. Like I wasn't getting my rest. So I'm not looking forward to that today. But it is what it is. Gotta go to work. So it's the first day back from break. So sometimes I get like jitters from that. I had coffee and I had Nalani yesterday. So it could have been that. It could have been I drank a bunch of water and a liquid IV, not right before bed, but close to. because every time I woke up, I had to go to the bathroom too. So I'm like, that might have been it. I might have just been too hydrated to go to sleep. So there's all sorts of things that like it could be. I'm like, maybe it's this, maybe it's this. Could be stress, could be just my body wasn't feeling sleep. I don't know. Maybe I haven't been going to bed early enough. I don't know. I think that was part of it. And we did like relax and watch TV, and then it was like, okay, time to go to sleep. And I'm like, all right. And maybe I just hadn't done enough that day. I felt like I had. There's that too. If you ever feel like you have like a lazy day and you don't feel like you've burned off enough energy, your body won't go to sleep. I've done that too. I don't think that was it, but definitely could be a possibility. Okay, I'm mailing orders this morning as well, and I have breakfast ready to pop into the oven. I made sausage biscuits for breakfast. Pillsbury has these like frozen biscuits now. Okay, they are very difficult to cook, or there's something wrong with my oven. I'm not really sure, because it says like one temperature for a nonstick cookie sheet, and then it just has another temperature. I guess if you're putting it in like a glass pan or a square pan, I don't know. And then it says to put them up next to each other to help them rise. And so I've been doing that, but I kid you not, the ones I made yesterday took like 40 minutes. And I was like, what is happening? My husband's like, 40 minutes? And I was like, yeah, 40 minutes. I don't know, maybe I was supposed to let them thaw. I don't know. But I was just like, this is ridiculous. Anyway, so I made 6. So then that made it so that I had some for the week, is what I was thinking. So my husband did cover one in butter and honey yesterday, so he ate that one. And then I think there's still 2 more, or 1.5 or something like that. So we'll have those little sandwiches today, which is great because it's like 25 degrees out. That's why I was like, we haven't gotten snow yet. We're not going to for at least a week, but I know it's coming. And I'm not sure how well prepared we are for that. Definitely not my kid's wardrobe. He hates jeans. He only wants to wear joggers, like, everywhere we go. So I'm like, we need jeans. I need to get him. I just need to go get him some, because I don't know if we're going to the Nutcracker or not. So, but he definitely, I don't let him wear joggers to the theater. So, and he usually wants to go to see the Nutcracker with me. So I don't know though. He might be past that now, huh? He could. Not really sure. He's 10, so it's in that age where it's like, do you want to do stuff with mom, or are you, too big for that? So, or is this too girly? And you're like, no. Sometimes. I did do some Christmas shopping, so that is well on its way. I'm excited about that because I know it'll be here before we know it. And I think not this week, but the next week is when some organization comes to my school and wraps presents for teachers to help us out during the holiday season or whatever. So I thought that was kind of cool, and I usually try to take advantage of that. They usually come 2 times. I think they're coming the 5th and some other day. And then my son has a culture day, I think on the 15th. And his teacher's like, and parents can come. But she wasn't specific on whether it was in the morning, in the afternoon. Is it 30 minutes? Is it 2 hours? I need to know for taking off work. Because if it's 30 minutes, I'll probably just take a morning half day or an afternoon half day instead of missing an entire day the week before finals. So, I don't know. But I already told my admin about it. I was like, I'm going to be gone for this. And he was like, yeah, that's fine. I was like, it's literally my last year of elementary school, so, I won't be missing this much anymore. But, okay. I think I want to grab this coral glitter because it's gorgeous. That's going to be my glitter headers. As far as my washi tape choices, I have some silver that I think I'm going to be dying to use with this spread. I have some silver snowflakes and fleur-de-lis and stuff like that. So, but I love this coral glitter right here. I was like, that has to be in the spread. and it'll give it that pop of that orange pink from the bottom. So, because there was only one full box in that color for this spread. But I thought it was a unique Christmas instead of just going regular Christmas red. They went with like a coral. And I've done a coral poinsettia before. I just didn't this year. And I was like, well, I already made a poinsettia, so I'm not going to make another one. That's what I was thinking. Like, that's the one I made for this year, so that's the one we're doing. Like, kind of thing. I do like the Christmas candles. Those are pretty. I'm more of a fall candle person, I think, than a Christmas candle person. I don't know why. Probably because there's so much decorations and tree and stuff that I'm like, ooh, I don't want to light a candle. I don't know. I'm a scaredy cat, I guess. Okay, so we don't have new releases, but Black Friday is still going on. So I want to put the order tracker down. And then usually I go ahead and put like ideas that I have. So it's not like complete, like not, there's nothing. It's usually not nothing. It's usually not nothing. It may be like I write down like design or whatever, but it's like a little mini to-do list when it's not the section for new releases. Okay, so as far as washi tape goes, I have this silver skinny, and then I have this snowman. I do have that one. And then I know I have some more silver Christmas. Hold on. This planner's in the way. Okay, I have silver trees, and I have silver ornaments. This one says Christmas, but it's probably too long. It says Merry Christmas, yeah. Too long. So not that one. Not that one. I do have poinsettia, but it's not the same color. It's bright red, so that's not going to work. I'm scanning. I don't think there's anything else. Oh, I do have the silver reindeer. I have the skinny silver reindeer. And then blue, as far as blue goes, oh, I do have this one. I have this blue. And I have this blue. Oh, I do have this blue. That might work too. I like that one. Let's use that one. I don't think I've ever used it in my life. I think I'm going to go with this one. It's got like bells and a snowman. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. I want this section here. They're adorable. Okay. I don't remember where this is from, if it was destashed to me or if it's from the washi tape shop. I don't think it's from a tube because it wasn't with anything else that matched it. So that's why I was like, I don't think so. Okay, we want to have the wreath and the bells on this one. Cool. Okay, there's that one. And then for the gray section is when we'll do the Christmas trees. The silver Christmas trees. This one has a ton on here. Wow. I don't know where that one's from either. I used to pick them up at like shops all the time. Like Tuesday morning. Used to have them all the time. We don't have a Tuesday morning anymore. It's now a big Dollar Tree, which is really annoying. We have a lot of Dollar Trees. That's why I say that. If you're like, I'm not anti-Dollar Tree. I just was like, we have a lot of Dollar Trees and we really don't need another one. And that's what they gave us when they took away Tuesday morning. And I would rather have Tuesday morning. So that's my spiel. Okay. Let's do this one. The deer in the forest. We'll do this one on the other blue. What's reindeer? It's kind of wintry more than Christmassy. It also kind of reminds me of Harry Potter. I feel like I could use this for that. Is what I mean. I think I could definitely get away with that. No one would say anything. They'd be like, yep, I get it. Patronus. You know, like they would get it. Okay, let's do the snowman for this one. This one I'm almost out of. I love this one. It was in a dual set with some snowflake washi. Ooh, this is going to be hard to tear. Maybe not. It was fine. I thought it was going to be because it was kind of a tight squeeze back there. Okay, got that one, Done, yay. Okay, and then we have payday for Etsy, so thank you guys for ordering during my Black Friday sale. I'm going to mail orders today, so I'm going to stick that down. And then I'm planning today, so stick that down. And then I don't know when I'm going to get my nails done. Wednesday's trash day. And then I think that's kind of it. Yeah, for that one. Okay, so I have lots of leftovers. Oop, just threw that at myself. And there is a deco sheet, so we'll grab that and then call it good. I do not have time to put functionals in. I'm so sorry. It's just not going to happen. I love this fireplace. It's adorable. So we're going to stick this down here. Kind of takes up a lot of space. That's okay. Believe, we didn't get that one on here. We got Merry and Bright, but we didn't get Believe, so we'll stick that one over here. Oh, yes we did. It's right there. Give me this. Okay, it needs to go over here then. Okay, and then Merry and Bright needs to go over here. And then I like the pillows. Those are cute. I kind of want to layer them. Stick that there. And then there's the dog. There's a cupcake, a wreath. Love the snowman. I will stick it right here so it's not with the snowman washi. And then we'll do the wreath. And I think that's it. Ooh, give me the wreath. The bow is not having it. There. Okay, and then cupcake presents. Cupcake candles. Candles. And presents. I gotta have this cupcake though. It's adorable. We'll do a cupcake up here with the presents. And then I'll grab the little dog. Put the little dog on here. If you guys are worried. I'm not going to use any of the girls this time. They're already on here. It's fine. So there you go. That is my spread for the week of November 27th through December. That's right. I said December. December 2nd. Doop. December 3rd. I was like, wait, what? Did I just say the wrong thing? Yes, I did. Okay. This is going to go here. And we'll put the snowman on this side. And then we'll put the big blue bow on this side. And that'll take up that space. There you go. That's my spread. Yay. So I hope you guys are already doing lovely, lovely Christmas things. And I can't wait to hear about them. So let me know in the comments what you guys are doing so far for the Christmas season. Our tree is up. Our garland's up. Christmas lights are not up. So that's a work in progress. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one.